Hello from Patrick. So here I have a transmission filter. So the transmission filter, the OEM number is P560971. This is a full transmission filter kit. It consists of two filters. Basically, you can see in front of you there's an O-ring there. Those are two O-rings. Those are two gaskets. On the back, there is a filter for the housing seal kit. On the rear, there's two small O-rings there beside the right filter, and there's two more O-rings on the far right. I need a stick. Need a stick. Remember, I used to joke around with someone who does videos on PCs. He used to use a stick. So I used to tell him, like, why are you using a stick, bro? But I'm here now looking for sticks to use. Have a camera stand will just work as in handy. So these are the O-rings. This is an O-ring. This is an O-ring. This is an O-ring. These are gaskets. This is a seal kit for the housing. So basically, the P560971 is a 40 micron filter. There's a few things I can say about it. The length basically is 151.6 millimeters. That is around 5.97 inches. By googling the part number, it will give you the exact specification for the filter, together with a cross-reference for other part numbers manufactured by other companies that will fit the same housing. So probably you're using a Fleetguard filter. The make is Fleetguard. It will give you the exact Fleetguard number, which is the exact filter that Donaldson makes. So 40 micron means the transmission filter is designed to capture particles that are 40 microns in size or larger. That, I guess, is the direct definition of a 40 micron. Anything smaller than that, the transmission filter won't be able to capture. Basically, anything, the bacteria or such, or very fine dust or such, the transmission filter won't be able to capture such things. So what do I use it for? This transmission filter is used in heavy machinery and equipment. That's one major thing where the transmission filter is used. Outside here, caterpillars, backhoes, those are the basic heavy duty equipment that can use this. The XZMG trucks, the big trucks, these are some of the big trucks that can use the transmission filter. For a new series of vehicles, this transmission filter is used in the M560971. So the guys that do supplies the M560971, this is the exact transmission filter for it. Aside from that, transmission filters are generally used in heavy vehicles. You might look at it, you think it's a water separator, but it's not. It's actually a filter for the transmission oil. Where the transmission oil is put, there's a small housing where this filter fits perfectly. So when doing service for heavy duty vehicles, most people do the oil filter service, the diesel filter service, fuel. They go all the way up to water separators, the hydraulic. So when you enter the hydraulic system service for the truck, you put new hydraulic oil, but you forget to exchange the hydraulic filter or the transmission filter. So that's basically so-called hydraulic filter. If you check the OEM sticker for the Donaldson sticker or the Fleetguard sticker, you'll see it. It's perfectly labeled as a hydraulic filter. Yeah, it's labeled as a hydraulic filter there. Don't know whether it's visible. So it's available, not in a lot of stock. It's a venture I'm entering into, but it's available in Patrick. I can't sell it as a single, actually sell it as a single item. So I'll have to single out the gaskets, one of each. You'll need to have one of each gaskets here. So one of each for it to be sold as a separate quantity. So it can be sold separately, and also it can be sold as a kit. So it depends. If you buy it as a kit, the prices will be better. So that's basically what I can say about it. Thank you. Visit the page. More up next time. Thank you.